Mercedes-Benz E220-D, known for its sophisticated design, good road manners and luxurious interiors. From the rear seat, you can control the sun blinds, you can control the sunroof as well, and the rear curtain, and you get enough space at the rear seat. I'll show you how much space you get at the rear seat. So let's have a look at the rear seat space with ambient lighting, woody finish, panoramic sunroof. All four seats are electrically adjustable with memory seat feature, and from this button you can move the front co-passenger seat and you can adjust it the way you want. And there you find four buttons. So two are for windows and sunshades and two are for sunroof. Basically, I'll show you how it will work. So from this button you can control the curtain, and from these buttons you can control the sunshades of the sunroof also. Two vanity mirrors on the roof, center armrest. Both seats are designed such a way that you don't get any kind of tiredness while going for a long as journey you go. So this is polar white color with beige interiors, October 2017, single owner direct customer car, 45,000 kilometers driven. Though I have not seen the service history yet, but yes, I can get the service history for you if you are going to buy this car. It is highly recommended that go for a service history, go for an inspection scanning and paper check, and then go for a deal. So we provide 360-degree services to our viewers, whether you are buying a car or you are selling a car. We provide you 360-degree services. For sellers, we make a video of their car so that end buyer can see the video of their cars and they can go for a deal. 80-85% कार्स जो हमारी डायरेक्ट कस्टमर टू डायरेक्ट कस्टमर डील्स हो जाती हैं सर जेन्युइनली, क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर अ डायरेक्ट कस्टमर कार. इफ यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड आवर पेज येट देन प्लीज डू फॉलो आवर इंस्टाग्राम पेज मोटो फाइंडर 1, जहाँ पे हम इंस्टा रील्स डालते हैं, एंड यूट्यूब पे सर मोटो फाइंडर हमारा चैनल है जहाँ पे हम फुल वीडियो डालते हैं. सब्सक्राइब करिए, एंड वेरी सून वी विल बी ब्रिंगिंग अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर अ डायरेक्ट कस्टमर कैन पोस्ट देयर कार्स ऑन आवर वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली. सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट ऑल्सो. So with respect to this car, this is October 2017, single owner, driven 45,000 kilometers, insurance valid February 2025, 45,000 kilometers driven. Car is available for test drive at Gurugram and it's a RC payment. The asking price is 31 lakh rupees. If you are interested in buying this car, please do call the customer and visit him. It is genuinely looking that it is less driven car. 45,000 kilometers is a less mileage honestly for the 2017 model. And if we look at the tires also, the tires are also in a very good state, alloys are also in a very good state, disc bhi sab kuch saaf lag rahe hain. It has got an ample of space in the boot room also, and you get a spare wheel also in this, which you can remove it if you are going for a long journey. You can remove the spare wheel also if it is not required. E-Class basically delivers you most of the luxury features of the S-Class at a lower price. Good road manners, as I told you earlier also, it is a luxury, and Mercedes-Benz is a synonymous with luxury, design, power, reliability, everything. So in this segment, there is no rival against E-Class, and there is no rival against S-Class also. Direct customer number is given in the description also if you're interested in buying this Mercedes-Benz E220-D, which is 2017 registration, single owner, 45,000 kilometers driven, for 31 lakh rupees. Please do call the customer directly and grab this deal. Thank you and have a nice day.